How to reset focus settings on iPhone 8 Plus. It's important to know that iPhone doesn't include a single button to reset all focus settings at once, but you can manually remove your focus customizations. To get started, open the Settings app and tap Focus. Next, select the focus mode you want to reset, such as Do Not Disturb, Work, Personal, or a custom focus. Remove any schedules by tapping Set a Schedule and deleting or disabling each schedule. Then, review your people and app settings and remove any allowed or silenced contacts and apps. If you've customized your home screen, lock screen, or focus filters, open each section and remove those customizations as needed. For a custom focus mode, scroll to the bottom and tap Delete Focus if you want to remove it completely. You can then create a new focus mode with the default settings. And that's it. You've successfully reset your focus settings on your iPhone 8 Plus. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and step-by-step tutorials.